Hello, UNs and UAlls. Hopefully I got your pronouns right. This was supposed to be a huvacraft. I haven't completely given up on it. I have some ideas for it, but it, for the most part, seems like a failure to me. This gear is supposed to be fitting over here. I disassembled it because, the assembly wasn't going right. Alright, so, anywho, I made a big whistle. This is what this is. It's just a giant whistle. Check it out. Check her out. She is loud. Oh, hold on. Let me hold it by the base. So freaking loud. Even if this doesn't work, I never did build a skirt for it. I did plan on putting a simple skirt underneath of it, and but honestly, I should have geared it higher. This was I believe a 3-to-1 gear, yeah, a 3-to-1 gear, and a series of pulleys to stretch some rubber bands out in a confined distance, then a wheel to transfer that, over to the pulley transferring the power. However, it does not run very long, and the impeller is not heavy, so it's not like it's taken forever to spool up the impeller. It does seem to be rubbing, as y'all have heard. I do not understand where it's rubbing, because my tolerances are more loose than I would want ideally, but I gave it the tolerances because it's room for error. Either way, this maybe later I could just add another one of these 3-to-1 gears onto this, change the frame a bit. Maybe add another gear over here or something or the other, and I haven't really given up on this design yet, even though the gearing makes it that, even though I could have, was it like 4 rubber bands attached on into each other, and it would run for not even 2 seconds. So not much hovercrafting to be done in 2 seconds. Definitely need to gear it up higher. So yeah, some work to be done. But this is the hovercraft I've been working on. And also, when I wind it up, right here, this pulley that transfers, because it was lopsided, right? Everything's too heavy on this side. So I figured I'd put the rubber band and the pulleys on this side to offset it a bit. And then I needed a wheel from which to take that and transfer it over to this gear, which, where did it go? Over here. And onto that, which also turns the impeller near your blower fan. And it makes all the noises, but it's really not that restricted. I'm still confused as to what's rubbing. Doesn't make any sense to me. But if I was to put a simple skirt underneath of it, even as it's set up right now, it would definitely float for a second or two. And maybe even move forward with the experiments I've been doing. But overall, I've got to say, this is not exactly, I haven't attached a skirt, and I haven't really tested it out like I intended to, but I can already tell there's some improvements to be made. So either way, I tried it. Tried to make a rubber band powered hovercraft, and sometimes you fail. And I would consider this a fail. But it does make an obnoxious noise when you blow into this part right here. Jesus Christ, that's terrible. Have a good one, y'all.